association of a pure devotee itself is very rare. And not only is getting the association of getting the shelter of such a great pure devotee very rare, even to be able to get instructions from him is also not that every other moment he will keep giving us instructions. Generally, it doesn't happen. Like we have seen the examples of Narada Muni. How many times was he meeting Prahlad Maharaj? When Prahlad Maharaj was in the womb of his mother, Narada Muni gave instructions. After that, where did Narada Muni meet him? He never met him. And you look at Dhruva Maharaj, when Dhruva Maharaj was going to the forest, Narada Muni met him. After that, that's all, over. So, that is how rare it is to meet a pure devotee and to get instructions from him. But you look at Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada has given us so many books, so many lectures, so many videos, so many audio tapes, so much Prabhupada association Prabhupada has freely given. So that every day, every moment, we can fill ourselves with that association of Srila Prabhupada. So this is so actually, Prabhupada, if you see, he is overflowing with compassion. Every pure devotee is compassionate. Every pure devotee who acts as a spiritual master is the incarnation of the compassion of Krishna. But Srila Prabhupada is specially filled with that compassion of Krishna, and that's why he is giving so much association. And while personalities like Dhruva Maharaj and Valmiki Rishi and all, and Mrigari and such other people, simply by a few minutes of association with Narada Muni, they could all become liberated. We are every day, day in and day out associating with Prabhupada. But what is happening to us? So we are very slow. Why? Because manda sumanda matayo manda bhagya upadruta. In Kali Yuga, the living entities are so fallen. Even after daily association with Srimad Bhagavatam and daily association with the pure devotee Srila Prabhupada, our going back to Godhead is taking time. That is our fault. But Prabhupada, knowing that, knowing our state in Kali Yuga, how much fallen we are, that's why Prabhupada is freely giving his association. Therefore, we must seriously read Prabhupada's books without fail every day, at least 1 hour. Every day we must hear the Bhagavatam and read the wonderful Bhaktivedanta translations and purports of the Bhagavatam. Hear Bhagavatam class, read Prabhupada's Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam and other books. Simply by reading that, even 1 line, if we properly understand in any of Prabhupada's books, we can go back to Godhead. That's the power of the instructions of Srila Prabhupada. So, Prabhupada is not lacking. What is happening? The receptacle is lacking. In other words, we are lacking. We are not capable of receiving the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. So, we have to become more qualified to receive the mercy of Prabhupada by sincerely following Prabhupada's instructions, following the 4 regulative principles, chanting 16 malas every day without fail, reading Prabhupada's books at least 1 hour daily. If we do these things, then gradually the influence of Kali will reduce, and we will also be able to achieve the same result which Dhruva Maharaj and Prahlad Maharaj and Valmiki Rishi and all such great personalities, they achieved. It is not impossible. Only thing is, we have to sincerely surrender to Srila Prabhupada completely. All our false ego, all our ideas, whatever we are holding on to in our hearts, our perceptions and thoughts and ideas and all that, we have to surrender to Prabhupada, and we should completely absorb Prabhupada's perceptions and his thoughts and ideas, which are non-different from that of Krishna. Simply by doing that, we can also become perfect like the great personalities whose examples are given in the Srimad Bhagavatam. And like Swayambhuva Manu is mentioning here, even a second of such association is so great. One must be extremely fortunate to be able to gain even a second's association with a pure devotee. And here, freely Prabhupada is giving us this association. So, we have to take advantage of this every day without fail, read Prabhupada's books and take that nectar from Prabhupada so that we can, we have to become selfish. Swarthaga, nate viduhu swarthagatim hi Vishnum. We have to become really selfish. Really selfish means I will not miss my reading even one day. Every day I will read Prabhupada's books. I'll hear from Prabhupada and associate with Prabhupada without fail. That greed has to be there in our heart. If that is there, then very quickly we can progress in Krishna consciousness and we can go back to Godhead.